A spinning particle galaxy, the kind you see on creative coding showcases, is mostly one clever loop and a few thousand points. We'll generate it in Three.js with TypeScript, scaffold the project with the CLI, and run it in the browser. About 50 lines. Here it is. 14,000 stars on 3 spiral arms, glowing where they overlap, slowly turning. The color runs from a warm core to a cool blue edge, and every star is placed by a single loop. The idea is simple. Pick a random radius for each star, drop it onto one of the spiral arms, and twist it further out the farther it sits from the center. Add a little scatter so the arms have thickness, blend 2 colors across the radius, and let additive blending do the glow. Scaffold a TypeScript project this time, npm create Vite, with the vanilla TS template. Change in, install, and add 3. Vite handles the TypeScript and resolves the import, and the type definitions ship with the package. There's the structure. Note the TS config, and a src folder with main.ts. Index. HTML is tiny, a full-screen canvas, and the module script pointing at main.ts. Now main.ts, import 3. Grab the canvas and make a renderer, a scene, and a camera looking at the center. These are the galaxy parameters: the star count, the number of spiral arms, the radius, how hard the arms twist, and a warm inside color and a cool outside color. We pack 1 position and 1 color per star into flat-typed arrays. This loop is the heart of it. Each star gets a random radius, sits on one of the branches, and twists further out by a spinAngle. A little random scatter gives the arms thickness, and the color blends from the center to the edge. Hand the positions and colors to a BufferGeometry as attributes. A points material with additive blending makes overlapping stars glow, and vertex colors let each point keep its own color. Make the points object and add it to the scene. Handle resize, then a render loop that slowly spins the galaxy on a clock. Now run it. npm run dev starts the Vite dev server. Open the local URL, and there's your galaxy. And that's the whole galaxy. 1 loop to place the stars, additive blending for the glow, and a clock to spin it. Change the branch count, the colors, or the spin, and you get a completely different galaxy. 3 things to remember. First, a particle system is just flat arrays of positions and colors handed to a BufferGeometry. Second, Additive blending is what makes overlapping points glow like stars. Third, the spiral comes from one idea. Twist each star further the farther out it sits. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more browser builds, drop a comment with what you'd build next, and share it with someone learning Three.js.